Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see the hourly forecast in the WeatherChannel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, one of the ways that you can see this is looking down below, and in the left corner you can see the hourly option. Press on it. And here you can see in your selected city the hourly forecast starting from 8:30 p.m. and you can scroll down and see the hourly forecast for every hour basically, and then it restarts for Wednesday and you can see all the hours once again, and you can move on to the next day once again if you want to. So this is how you do it shortly. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.